Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I know usually Vlogmas is supposed to be vlogging every single day and doing something fun, but I'm just letting you guys know my days are boring. So every single day I'm just gonna film a video every day and show it to you guys, upload it. I'm just gonna upload a video a day. If you guys saw my day anyways, it would be boring. All I did was spend the entire day editing the vlog that went up yesterday, or the video that went up yesterday with the travel bag. It was already 9:30 when I decided to film today's video, and I just decided to clean my makeup brushes because I needed to do so. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my brushes, what I use. I use $1 soap. You can get it at Walmart. You can probably get it online. And I'm telling you guys, you will literally clean your brushes in under 30 minutes. And for those who have a lot of makeup brushes, you can thank me later.
You could thank me now.
Just trust me. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I just want to apologize in advance. My camera is not in focus because I struggled so hard in this bathroom trying to angle this camera. I think I pressed the button and it went into manual focus. You guys want to know how I clean and dry my brushes? Let's go on with the video. Okay, I need to get on my knees. First step is to gather all of your dirty ass makeup brushes. The thing you want to do is get a towel, set it down next to the sink. Oh, got it on my nails. This is the Zote or Zote bar soap. You can get this at Walmart. It's only $1. $1. This soap is actually a laundry soap, I believe, but you can use this to clean your brushes. I actually heard about this through my friend Annie's. I've gone through one whole bar of this over the past 2 years. I like to keep it in just like a to-go container. What you want to do is you're gonna want to fill like a separate bowl or the same one with some warm water. You're gonna grab your brushes and then you're gonna stick them into the bowl, and then you're gonna make sure the part that's connecting the metal part and the wooden handle of the brush isn't being submerged underwater, because you don't want to damage your brush. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that's angled downwards but not being submerged in water. Is there any way I can set you? Alright guys, this is the best I could do. I'm literally on the floor. I'm gonna just start with these small brushes. The first thing you want to do is splash them in water a little bit. Then you grab one brush at a time and you're gonna swirl it in the soap. Dunk it in the water, swirl it in the soap, dunk it in the water, swirl it in soap, dunk it in water. One last time, swirl it in the soap, and you're gonna set it to the side, letting it marinate. So you're going to repeat this step for all your brushes, and you're essentially just swirling it in the soap and dunking it in water, doing that 3 times. The last 4th time, you're going to want to swirl it and let it marinate in that soap on the side. I love how you use the word marinate, but you know, it makes sense. Let's try my under eye setting powder brush. You can see it's super dirty. This is what I use for it with my e.l.f. setting powder. Just swirl it on both sides and then go on top. Go into the water, dunk it. Look, it's like already clean. This one you can clearly see it's brown. So I forgot to mention, but throughout this whole process, you can keep dumping the dirty water and refilling with clean water, and that way you can really see whether or not, you know, everything's coming out. Look at that. It's already turned pretty white. Isn't that pretty cool? So easy with this freaking soap. So you want to start with the brushes that you did first. So I'm going to start with the eye brushes here. You just want to make sure that this water isn't getting into the part that's holding the brush together, where the metal and the wood meets. Carefully just swirl these into your hand, rinse them underwater. But you just want to wring out all the water, and then you just want to set them to the side onto the towel that you prepared earlier. So with the bigger brushes, you really want to massage them into your hand, swirl it, and really wring out the water before you set it to the side. You just repeat this with all your brushes, and look how clean. You can also wash your beauty blenders with this soap. So with the beauty blenders, what you're going to do is dampen them underwater. Then you're going to rub it in the soap, get the soap all in there, squeeze it a few times, and toss it back into the bowl filled with warm water. And you're just going to let it sit there for a good 10-30 minutes. You can even do less if you want, but I just like to let it sit for 30 minutes. You come back and wring it all out, and voila, clean beauty blender. I just finished washing my brushes, as you guys saw. Now that I have all my clean brushes, you can dry your brushes in 2 ways. First thing you can do to dry your brushes if you're lazy and you don't want to do anything is just get it on a towel, and you want to angle the bristles up like this. So you're going to keep folding until you have this angled towel, so you let all the water drop onto the bottom of the towel. After a day or so, you're going to want to turn each brush so that it can dry the other side, because it might be still damp on the bottom. And then I'm going to show you the craziest, easiest, fastest way to dry your brushes. Your brushes will be dry in a day. You're going to need a hanger and some rubber bands like this. You're going to want to have your hanger, and what you're going to do is you're going to grab one rubber band. You're going to roll it so that it's a little tighter. This should be fine. I'm going to get one of my bigger brushes. First, stick your brush in like this, twist it so you have this X right here, and stick the brush under, and then you're going to just put that brush in there like that. I made sure that I wrung out all the water in here. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to get a small enough rubber band. Mine are pretty big, so I just double looped it. You twist it, you stick it under the hanger, and you just grab onto this brush right here. Have it on here, twist, put it under, and stick your brush in, twist, under, and boom. This actually I was taught by one of my friends named Rachel in college. She taught me this, and I never went back to drying on towels just because this is so fast. So now I just take my hanger and place it somewhere where it can hang, and there you go. Alright guys, so that's it for today's vlog. It's already it's only 10:20. I hope you guys learned something from this vlog. You guys will get an update tomorrow on the makeup brushes. Just honestly, I've tried so many ways, but my favorite way is definitely the xoxo. Anyways, what are you doing? Anyways, that's it for vlog 2. I hope you guys found that helpful. Don't make any sus noises.
Sorry. Finish your vlog. Oh wait.
Okay, well that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. Don't forget to subscribe if you love me or hate me. See you guys tomorrow.
Why are you getting all
Because this is so weird.
What?
This is weird. Okay. Bye.